The graphics card market just got a whole lot more interesting. NVIDIA's RTX 50 series GPUs are here, promising huge leaps in performance and efficiency. Get ready for a whole new world of immersive gaming experiences. The RTX 50 series isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. NVIDIA has raised the bar for high-performance gaming. The RTX 50 series is not for the faint of heart. These cards are built for gamers who demand the very best. The RTX 50 series GPUs are the culmination of years of research and development. NVIDIA has listened to its customers and delivered a product that exceeds expectations. This is the future of PC gaming. The RTX 50 series introduces a range of new GPUs, each more powerful than the last. At the top of the line is the RTX 5090, a beast of a card with unparalleled performance. For those seeking a more affordable option, the RTX 5070 and 5060 offer incredible value. Compared to the RTX 40 series, the 50 series boasts significant improvements across the board. Clock speeds are higher, memory bandwidth is wider, and the number of CUDA cores has increased dramatically. This translates to smoother gameplay, higher frame rates, and more realistic graphics. The RTX 50 series isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligent performance. NVIDIA has implemented new technologies, such as shader execution reordering, that make these cards more efficient than ever before. This means less wasted power and more performance for your games. NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture is at the heart of the RTX 50 series. This new architecture introduces several key advancements that contribute to the significant performance gains. One of the most notable improvements is the use of a new fabrication process, shrinking the transistors to an incredible 4 nanometers. This smaller node size allows for more transistors to be packed onto the die, resulting in a significant increase in CUDA core count. The RTX 5090, for example, boasts an astounding 18,000 CUDA cores, a significant jump from the 16,384 cores found in the RTX 4090. This increase in core count directly translates to better parallel processing power, benefiting both gaming and creative workloads. In addition to the increased core count, the Ada Lovelace architecture also features a redesigned streaming multiprocessor. This new SM design allows for improved ray tracing performance, a key feature of the RTX series. The dedicated ray tracing cores in the RTX 50 series are now even faster and more efficient, delivering more realistic lighting and shadows in supported games. The RTX 50 series GPUs are absolute monsters when it comes to gaming performance. In our benchmarks, the RTX 5090 blew past the competition, delivering an average of 120 frames per second at 4K resolution in Cyberpunk 2077 with all settings maxed out. Even the more affordable RTX 5070 managed to maintain a smooth 60 frames per second at 4K in the same game. To put these numbers into perspective, the RTX 4090, the previous generation flagship, struggled to maintain a consistent 60 frames per second at 4K in Cyberpunk 2077, often dipping below that threshold during demanding scenes. The RTX 50 series performance gains are undeniable, offering a tangible improvement in fluidity and visual fidelity. It's not just Cyberpunk 2077 where the RTX 50 series shines. We tested a range of demanding games including Red Dead Redemption 2, Microsoft Flight Simulator, and God of War, and the results were consistent. The RTX 50 series consistently delivered higher frame rates and smoother gameplay compared to the previous generation, solidifying its position as the new performance king. Section 5: Ray Tracing and DLSS, a new era of realism. Ray tracing, the technology that simulates the physical behavior of light, has been a key selling point of NVIDIA's RTX series. With the RTX 50 series, ray tracing takes another leap forward thanks to the improved dedicated ray tracing cores and the introduction of DLSS 3.0. DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling, uses AI to upscale games to higher resolutions while maintaining image quality. DLSS 3.0 introduces a new feature called optical multi-frame generation, which essentially creates entirely new frames based on the information from previous frames. This results in a significant boost in frame rates, particularly in games that are heavily reliant on ray tracing. In our testing, enabling DLSS 3.0 in Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing enabled resulted in a near doubling of frame rates, making it possible to achieve playable performance at 4K resolution with all the bells and whistles turned on. The combination of improved ray tracing cores and DLSS 3.0 makes the RTX 50 series the definitive way to experience games with realistic lighting and shadows. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Metro Exodus Enhanced Edition, which already looked stunning with ray tracing enabled, are elevated to a whole new level of visual fidelity with the RTX 50 series. Section 6. Power and Efficiency. Balancing performance and consumption. With great power comes great responsibility, and in the case of the RTX 50 series, great power consumption. The RTX 5090, for instance, has a TGP, or total graphics power, of 450 watts, a significant increase from the RTX 4090's 450 watts. This means you'll need a beefy power supply to keep these cards fed. However, it's not all doom and gloom on the power consumption front. Despite the increased power draw, the RTX 50 series is actually more efficient than its predecessors. This is due in part to the new 4nm manufacturing process, which allows for lower power leakage and improved energy efficiency. Additionally, NVIDIA has implemented new power management features, such as GPU Boost 4.0, which dynamically adjusts the card's power consumption based on workload. While the RTX 50 series does demand more power, it's important to consider the performance gains. You're getting significantly more performance for the extra watts, making it a worthwhile trade-off for enthusiasts seeking the absolute best possible gaming experience. Section 7. Temperature Control, Keeping Your Cool. Keeping these powerful GPUs cool is no small feat. NVIDIA has equipped the RTX 50 series with robust cooling solutions, featuring triple fan coolers and large heat sinks. The reference design in particular has been praised for its effective cooling performance, keeping the GPUs running cool and quiet even under heavy load. Of course, the actual temperatures you'll see will vary depending on your case's airflow and the ambient temperature of your room. It's always a good idea to monitor your GPU temperatures using software like MSI Afterburner or EVGA Precision X1. If you're consistently seeing high temperatures, you might want to consider adding more fans to your case or investing in a more aggressive cooling solution, such as an aftermarket cooler or an all-in-one liquid cooler. Overall, the RTX 50 series cooling solutions are up to the task of keeping these powerful GPUs running at optimal temperatures. However, it's always a good idea to be mindful of your cooling setup and make adjustments as needed to ensure long-term performance and stability. Section 8. The Upgrade Dilemma, Is It Worth the Leap? The RTX 50 series is undoubtedly impressive, but the question on everyone's mind is, should you upgrade? The answer, as always, depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're rocking an RTX 30 series or older GPU, the RTX 50 series offers a compelling upgrade path. The performance gains are significant, and you'll be able to take advantage of features like ray tracing and DLSS 3.0. However, if you're on an RTX 40 series card, the upgrade might not be as clear-cut. The performance gains are there, but they might not justify the cost of upgrading, especially if you're not chasing the absolute highest frame rates. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to upgrade is a personal one. Consider your budget, your desired performance level, and the games you play. If you're looking for the absolute best performance and you're willing to pay a premium for it, the RTX 50 series is the clear choice. However, if you're on a tighter budget or you're content with the performance of your current GPU, you might want to wait for the next generation or consider a more affordable option within the RTX 50 series lineup. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of PC gaming. The RTX 50 series. GPUs are a testament to NVIDIA's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in PC gaming. With its impressive performance, groundbreaking features, and efficient architecture, the RTX 50 series sets a new standard for high-end gaming. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a creative professional, the RTX 50 series has something to offer everyone. As we move further into the future of PC gaming, it's clear that ray tracing and AI-powered features like DLSS will play an increasingly important role in delivering immersive and visually stunning experiences. The RTX 50 series is a glimpse into that future, and it's an exciting one. Get ready to experience games like never before.